Man, I can't believe it's been almost exactly a week since Umbreon and Mario got lost in the blizzard. I know, it's so sad. I wonder what happened to them. Yeah. We looked everywhere too. What do we do? We could call someone. Who are we gonna call? A detective! Well, we didn't call you. But you said, like, who you gonna call? You said, like, who you gonna call? Ghostbusters! Can I do that? I don't know. Anyway, so, who is it you need to find? Or what? Doesn't matter what it is you're looking for. I'll find it. Yeah, well, our friends, Mario and Umbreon, kind of got lost out there in the blizzard, so, yeah, we need your help finding them. Yes. This has happened quite a bit before. What do they look like? You've met them quite a few times. Didn't Umbreon, like, call you for something a few times? Oh, yeah. I need to describe them, though. I need to make sure I'm looking for the right people. Okay, well, Umbreon is, like, a red Scalaria. No iris. I don't think he has an iris. He has, like, yellow band, like, golden rings on his ears. But they're not, like, actual rings. They're, like, the color of his fur. Like in whatnot, and that like ovals, yellow or golden ovals on his forehead and kneecaps. He's also a fox, I think. Okay. Gonna write any of this down? You gonna write any of this down? I don't need to. I got the memory of a reindeer. Yeah, that would make sense. Oh, in Mario, he's like me, but shorter, different, like a different hat. And instead of green, it's red. Also, his mustache is like mine, but mine is kind of better. Okay. I think I got that. I'm gonna go look for them. How did he get in? How did he know we were calling him? A detective always knows. There's something off about him. Okay, or where could they be? I found them. Their pulses are there. They're alive. Let's take them home. Away! Here we go. I got your guys. A fox, likely a fox, red Scalaria, yellow-ish gold-like fur around his ears, and ovals on his forehead and two of his kneecaps. You were wrong about the other two. They're on the sides of his kneecaps. Also, an Italian plumber, red, mustache like his, but not as good as his, and a slightly different hat. You sound different. Every time we see you, you sound different. Anyway, yeah. Are they okay? Oh yeah, just pop those bad boys in the oven for 500 degrees, 2 hours and 55 minutes, and take them out. You got yourselves a meal. Translation? I'm not from Canada. Oh, I mean, I know what he's saying. He's just saying that they're okay. It's got to let them warm up a bit. Oh, okay. He's Canadian. Is that obvious, eh? Wow, incredibly stereotypical. Okay, well, yeah, well, that's all settled. Okay, now, so about my payments. Oh, yeah, how much do I owe you? Actually, it's on the house. Oh, really? No, it's like $50. 25 per person? It's kind of low. You can make it more. No, I'm good. I'll go get the money. Yep. Just another day's work of a detective. Why do you always sound different?